Good morning, friends. Just wanted to jump on real quick, do a fast video on styling my hair and use the tools that I love and the products that I love and show you what I am doing. Now, the thing I want to do is thank you for watching the last video. I was going to style my hair and show you how I did it and what I used. And then I got sidetracked on the whole elephant story and my dad. But I appreciate your comments. They touched me. So yeah, it was amazing. Thank you so much. So anyway, let's get started. I'm going to show you how I style my hair. So I love the Moxie Magnifying Mousse. Now I only use just a palm full, and I rub it in. You can see this is a good mousse because it doesn't disappear in your hands, okay? Some mousse, if you've ever used it and you go to rub it in your hands, it just kind of disappears. It just goes away. So this product is concentrated, so I love that. So I use that mousse. I put it throughout my hair. Mousse, you guys, is good for fine, thin hair. It doesn't weigh the hair down and it gives it some volume. Now, I love the volume and lift spray. I just spray, there's 1, 2, 3. That's all you need, just 3 little squirts. You don't want to use too much because like I said, that this product is very concentrated. So I spray that in and I just kind of rub that. Then I love the Nano, this is the Titanium Babyliss Pro blow dryer. Love it. I've had people ask me if a blow dryer really matters. This is what I have to say. Yes, and yes. So, the way it dries, if it's blowing out a lot of heat, or if it's just kind of a lightweight and it just kind of blows your hair, this really makes a difference. Now, when I style my hair, I kind of dry this way, okay, this side. I'm coming down on the back of my head with my fingers like this. So I'm just pushing down. I do have it on the high setting. That means how hard it is blowing, okay? That doesn't mean that it's on the high heat. I don't like high heat. That's not good for your hair. So medium heat, but yes, I am drying on high. If you have curly, thick hair, you're not going to want to dry on the high setting, okay? You're going to want to go more medium to low so it doesn't have a ton of movement because your hair will go frizzy or be too big if you put it on high. So that's just a little tip, okay? Now, I'm going back the opposite way to give it volume. Okay, then I'm going to go back the other way. And you guys can see what that volume spray is doing in the mousse. If you've seen my hair in the last video, it's really flat. Like I have zero hair. So I love this product. That's why this, plus obviously texture in my haircut, that helps also. Now, round brush. Now I'm gonna have some links below if you guys need these, tools or products to help you find them. I love a round brush with the metal in the middle underneath the bristles, okay? The reason I like that is because it gets warm when you blow dry, and it definitely, so like that, you can hold it for a second and then just let it go. This is going to give you volume. Now, I just started using my round brush a little bit more just because this side of my hair, the side of my hair is a little bit longer, so I'm using a round brush just to give it a little more volume.